In our next tutorial here, the WebTyco in our class looks very similar to this. And what you want to do is, let me just show you what we want to do here. We want to go into the Web Conferences menu. You'll see this is your name, this is my center. You won't see Faculty Center, but you'll see Syllabus. You want a printable version. You want to scroll down. Look through the syllabus as much as possible. You'll find course materials, faculty information, how to contact me, course description, all these items, grading information. There's going to be tests, quizzes online. There will be final exam online. As I mentioned, there's also going to be a research paper due. The details are in the syllabus. You will be required to cite all your references accordingly. Also, you will submit everything through my finance lab, with the exception of the research paper and your conferences. And so your conferences, you're going to look like you're basically going to go down here into at the bottom of the menu on the left side. You'll see conferences underneath e-chapters. So you go to Faculty Center, Syllabus, Course Content, Reserved Readings, Conferences down here. And it should look like this. And what's going to happen is you're going to have week 1 through 7. You'll need to, actually the final 8 weeks here, and you'll find you'll need to submit responses to each of the questions. My questions will be at the top of the menu, and as you can see, some people have already responded to week 1, and those are due every week, and they will be shut off at the end of each week, so you won't be able to make those up. Also, if you need to ask me a question for the class, just go into this link, ask the professor a Q&A, and it should be good for all the students. If I see a question given to me somewhere else through WebTyco messages, I'll add that to our Q&A here, and I'll add that so everybody's aware of things for the future. It's kind of a wiki of sort. Then also some guidelines in the last link. Any questions particular to particular assignments I'll post here, and that should get you moving. Just remember, there's something due every week, and the syllabus will tell you, there's going to be quizzes due every week, or quizzes due, but I've left those, quiz 1 and 2 for due at the same time. But it's not, you don't want to put those, put those off till the last week, because they are pretty extensive. They take a lot of time. And as in the other video, I showed you the final exams, the same type of questions. You'll get a question, then you'll also have to click your answer, and you get two tries at the quiz, but only 1 try on the final. But on the final, you pretty much have, I think it's 18 or 16 hours or so, but you can come and go as you please, and there's 49 questions on the final. Also, you should know, as I'll upgrade the grades probably every 2 weeks so that you know how you stand. I tend to grade on a curve, so meaning there's only 10 students, and obviously I want to make sure it's fair. So the 10 students, you should have you might not get an A or 90%, but you could possibly still get an A based on the curve. But if there's no curve and everybody does accordingly, it'll be based on a bell curve. I tend to lean on just getting everything done, on time, as opposed to putting things off. If you get things done on time, you do much better in my class, because there is a lot of work. And so that's kind of the general overview of the questions or on the syllabus. You certainly ask me questions. I'm at 202-288-0035 at any time. You can also send me a text, and you can also send me a WebTyco message, and also through UMUC. All right, thank you.